Welcome to the grand celebration of 2 years of innovation, inspiration, and impact. Today, we come together to commemorate the second anniversary of Live Good Philippines.
I pray you'll be alright and watch us where we go.
Hello, Team Philippines! Congratulations! Happy 2-year anniversary!
Why many people joining in like this company but never become successful? Many are called, but few are chosen. And you are the chosen one.
Let's trend together, above and beyond. Live Good Philippines' second anniversary is about to begin!
Live Good Philippines, happy second year anniversary sa ating lahat. Woohoo! Alam nyo guys, yung bawat milestone na narating natin ngayon, bunga yan ng sipag ninyong lahat. Bunga yan ng talento at dedikasyon mo. Kaya naman, isang malaking pasasalamat sa lahat ng narito ngayon. This is our moment. Palakpakan po natin ang mga sarili natin. Ngayong 2025, may bago tayong kabanata. At alam ko, kayang-kaya natin gawin mas malaki, mas matagumpay, at mas produktibo ang taong na to.
When you say mahirap ang live good, tama ka. When you say madali ang live good, tama ka. Akala ko noon maraming susunod agad na magkakaroon. Sabi ko, sobrang dali naman ito. Hindi pala madali ang Crown Diamond, kundi dahil sa biyaya ng Panginoon.
You have to love yourself, not for your husband, but for yourself and for the God.
As a team, husband and wife, it really can help your team also be a model. Be the model of the team.
Kung ang dating ko sa'yo ay mali, I'm sorry. Pero kung mararamdaman mo yung puso ni Coach Fernan, kaya ako sinasabi to, gusto ko maging isa tayo, magtulong-tulong tayo. Dahil naniniwala ako, kaya uling mag-number 1 ng Pilipinas. Can we do it? Let all shout number 1. Let all shout Philippines number 1. We are one.
Magtiwala ka na, asenso ka dito. Kahit ano ka pa, kahit sino ka pa, kahit hindi ka magaling, kahit hindi ka marunong, lahat ng bagay natututunan. Okay? Basta makinig ka lang, matuto ka sa sunod, lahat ng achievements namin makukuha pa rin.
Thank you so much, fellow leaders.
Woohoo! Congrats! Congrats, coach! Congrats, Coach Martin! Grabe!
anniversary, so this is our event.
Legit Simos. Kapaganda ng benefit ito sa katawan. Okay? So, try this out and see the improvement in your health. So, what are you waiting for? Andito na. Ginawa na ni Live Good itong Shilajit. Hello my friend, another exciting or awesome product na meron kami. Ano to? Yung mga essential oils ni Live Good. Ang daming nag-iiba ng essential oils ngayon, pero bakit naiiba si Live Good? Yun ang una, meron kami certificate of analysis. Wala yan yung iba. So, try this out and enjoy the different sense of our essential oils. Okay? So, ask me how and I'll help you paano mo makukuha yung discount na meron kami. Thank you my friend. Bye!
We have here available products. Like and try.
Hey guys, nakita nyo naman ang gaganda ng mga produkto namin, ang dami. So, what are you waiting for? We have a very good, a very quality product at a very affordable price. At talaga naman, mag-i-improve ang health mo once you take up our Live Good products. So, what are you waiting for? Ask me how to order and enjoy the 75% discount. See you!
Ayos na!